Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. I am your host, your host Tukulan, and you are watching Ken Puppy. In today's video, I'll be teaching you about some mathematics. It's around about Vedic maths, like speed maths, like how to do multiplication, square of some numbers, square root of numbers, cube and cube root of numbers very quickly with a short trick for the competitive examinations. It's about like a quantitative aptitude for the competitive examination, and hope you like this video. And this video will consist of three parts. Today is the second part, and I hope you will really like this video. And without wasting any time, let's get started.
Now there is no problem while we are having this number as a positive. Now we'll see when this number come as a negative, and when it will come when any of the value, like one is 92 and another number having 108, let's say. So in this case what will have this value having minus 8 and this value having plus 8. So what will have, like, it will be minus 64 while multiplying this number. Say while multiplying this number will have minus 64, and this term is very same, that is one. Either you can do 108 minus 8, or you may have 92 plus 8. It will give the same result, 100. Now what we'll do, we can write this 100 as a 99 plus 1, and this one put here as a carry forward and treat it as 100. So 100 minus 64, it will come as 36. So our new answer will be 9936. You can verify this number by using the calculator whether it's right or not, or we'll verify like this: 108 92. So it will be like 16. I'll just rub it here. So it will be like 16, 2216, 72, 9, the basic multiplication formula. So 6, 3, 9, 9. So 9936, as I said, this 99 and this is 36. 9936 is our answer. So let us take another example. $89 and 107. So this part will be minus 11, this part is plus 7, so it will like minus 77, and this part is 107 minus 11, or 89 plus 7, that is 96. So the answer will be 95, and that one, that is equivalent to 100. 100 minus 77 is 23. So this will be our answer. Now we'll discuss another example. Like, let's say one number is 98 and another number is 103. So what we'll have? We have minus 2, we have plus 3. Sorry. Let's say this number is 102. So this will be the difference of plus 2. Now what will do? We have 6. The multiplication is 6, and this is 10 Sorry, there is a problem in tasking. Let me check. So it will be like 105. Now what will be our answer? Is this 1056? Obviously not. Why not? Because 100 into 100, 10000. What is the digit number? At least 241, that is 5-digit number, and we are having 4-digit number here. So is it possible? If 100 square equal to this one, then the two number we are going to multiplying is above 100, then obviously the value, the multiplied value will be greater than this. So in this case, what we'll do, we'll put 0 before the single digit. So if by anyhow this value, this multiplied value, that is if in case it's 2 cross 2, 2 cross 3, 1 cross 3, 1 cross 2, 2 cross 4, or yeah, if this value will come, or 1 cross 4, okay, so in this cases we'll have single digit like 4, 6, 8, 2, or 1 cross 9, or 1 cross 7, okay, or 1 cross 5. Okay, if there is only single digit value come in the right hand side, we'll make it as a 2-digit number by putting a 0 before it. That is, if the multiplied value comes 1, so we'll make it as a 01. If it is 2, we'll make it as 02. If it's 3, we'll make it as 03. If it is 9, that is 3 cross 3, we'll make it as 09. So our value will be 10506. So this is our answer. So this is the multiplication rule of any two numbers nearest to the 100. That is, the base value is 100. Now we are doing the multiplication of base value 200. The procedure will be same, like if we multiply 203 into 207, the same thing, difference from 200 to that number is plus 3 plus 7, so it will be 21. Now we are having 210. 203 plus 7, that is 210, or 207 plus 3, that is 210. Now what we'll do is, as it is base value 200, that is multiplied by 2 into base value of 100. So what we'll do is, we'll multiply this number. So our answer will be 42021. So this is our answer. Similarly, if we did another multiplication, like 197 into 189, so what will have? Minus 3 minus 11, so what will have? Plus 33. And in this case, 189 minus 3 is 186 into 2, so it will be 37233. And so this value will directly come here. So we'll do another example.